Over 12 million people eat KFC around the world. What looks like simple fried chicken is actually the result of one of the most tightly... In this video, we break down the real KFC process, step by step. KFC's journey begins at large-scale commercial poultry farms that operate under strict animal welfare and food safety standards. These farms are climate-controlled to maintain stable temperature, airflow, and lighting, creating an optimal environment for healthy bird growth. Chickens are fed a carefully balanced diet designed to ensure uniform size and muscle development. Trained farm workers perform daily inspections, while licensed veterinarians conduct routine health checks to prevent disease. Automated monitoring systems track humidity, air quality, and temperature around the clock. Fresh drinking water flows through sanitized pipelines. Once the birds reach the required maturity, they are gently placed into ventilated transport crates. Careful handling minimizes stress and injury before refrigerated trucks transport them to approved processing facilities. At government-approved poultry processing plants, strict hygiene protocols are enforced from entry to exit. All personnel wear protective clothing and pass through sanitation zones. Automated processing lines handle the chickens efficiently while maintaining cleanliness. Mechanical systems remove feathers in controlled environments, followed by thorough washing with potable water. Quality control inspectors visually examine each batch under high-intensity lighting. Rapid chilling systems immediately reduce temperature to prevent bacterial growth. The processed chicken is then sealed in food-grade packaging, labeled specifically for KFC supply, and prepared for refrigerated transport to distribution centers. The packaged chicken enters temperature-controlled distribution warehouses. Digital sensors monitor storage conditions continuously. Each shipment is logged into inventory systems to ensure traceability. Cartons are clearly labeled with batch numbers and expiration dates. Warehouses follow first in, first out protocols to maintain freshness. Pallets are stored in organized refrigerated aisles and wrapped securely before shipping. Refrigerated trucks are loaded without breaking the cold chain and dispatched directly to KFC restaurants. Delivery trucks arrive at KFC restaurants during scheduled receiving hours. Staff inspect the truck's refrigeration system before unloading. Chicken cartons are handled by trained employees wearing official KFC uniforms. Infrared thermometers confirm safe product temperature. Packaging integrity and expiration dates are carefully checked. Inventory records are updated digitally. Approved products are moved immediately into refrigerated storage areas where the restaurant manager performs final verification. Frozen chicken is transferred into controlled thawing units inside refrigerated storage. Thawing occurs gradually to maintain food safety. Time and temperature labels track each batch. Employees wear gloves, aprons, and hair restraints at all times. Preparation tables are sanitized thoroughly. Excess moisture drains safely, while staff visually inspect the chicken for quality and consistency. Pieces are sorted by cut type before moving to portioning stations. Chicken is placed onto stainless steel cutting tables. Trained staff portion each piece according to KFC specifications. Different cuts are separated into labeled trays. Portions are weighed to ensure consistency across all servings. Work surfaces are cleaned continuously to maintain hygiene. Any irregular pieces are removed from the process. Approved portions are transferred directly to the breading area. The portioned chicken is coated using KFC's proprietary breading system. The process begins with seasoning application, followed by coating in flour mixtures, prepared according to strict internal formulas. Workers perform this process manually to ensure even coverage. The breaded chicken rests briefly, allowing the coating to adhere properly. Excess breading is gently shaken off to maintain uniform texture. Quality supervisors monitor consistency throughout. Breaded chicken is placed into industrial pressure fryers filled with filtered cooking oil. This method seals moisture inside the chicken while creating a crisp outer layer. Cooking time is carefully timed to ensure food safety and texture. Once complete, the pressure is released gradually before the chicken is removed. Freshly cooked chicken is placed on stainless steel racks to drain excess oil. Holding cabinets maintain a safe serving temperature without drying the product. Timers track holding duration to ensure freshness. Any product exceeding holding limits is discarded according to food safety rules. Chicken is transferred to the serving area where staff assemble orders. Portions are selected according to menu requirements. Each box or bucket is packed carefully to maintain appearance and temperature. Branded KFC packaging is used exclusively. Throughout the entire process, managers perform routine quality checks. Surfaces are sanitized regularly. Employees follow strict hand-washing protocols. Equipment is cleaned according to scheduled procedures. Internal audits ensure compliance with KFC's global food safety standards. The finished product reaches the customer hot, crispy, and consistent with KFC's global standards. From farm to fryer, every step is controlled, measured, and verified. This system ensures that whether you order KFC in the United States or anywhere else, the taste, texture, and quality remain the same.